What am I doing? This is crazy. We're about to find out.
Wellness is not just for a loved one that may be going through a hard time or a patient, so to speak. It's for the caregiver too. I'm Logan Duval with Me and McGee Market, and wanted to highlight a biohacking realm, part of wellness, and that's here at Restore Hyper Wellness and Cryotherapy. In all the research that I've done with how to take care of Lander, fighting cancer, I knew that I had to take care of myself, because I promise you there's not a whole lot of sleeping after you find out your son's been diagnosed with cancer. And I knew that if I wasn't up on my game, I wasn't going to be able to take care of him as good. And so researching on how to sleep, how to eat right, not for just the cancer side of it, but for a caregiver. There's a whole lot to this realm, and this is one that may seem a little odd, and a lot of people don't even know about it. But we're gonna learn a lot from my new friend Wesley, and I'm gonna be the guinea pig on some of these treatments.
I'm Wesley Griffin. I'm the owner of Restore Hyper Wellness in Little Rock. We offer over 8 or 9 different modalities. We do everything from IV therapy to hyperbaric oxygen chamber therapy. We also have something called photobiomodulation, which is a big fancy word. We break it down to PBM, which is red light therapy. We have an infrared sauna. We do compression therapy. We even have stretch therapy. But really what we focus on here is wellness, immune boosting services, helping you recover faster, feel better quicker, and overall just live a much healthier life. So today Logan is going to try 3 things with us. He's going to come in, he's going to get an IV drip, he's probably going to get the new Myers cocktail, he's also going to try leg compression, and then he's going to finish with cryotherapy today.
All right, so here, about to get an IV. You've really eased my mind. We've got an RN, we have a professional about to do this. We're looking at all of the IV drips that y'all have to offer.
Yes.
And it's everything from detox and energy and recovery, a lot of athletic benefits right here, isn't it?
Also for allergies and just skincare and everything.
Well, that's awesome. So I'm gonna get the new Myers.
So we're just gonna tweak a little bit of the ingredients and get you glutathione in there as well.
Glutathione.
The new Myers is a very popular drip. I think it's popular nationwide. So, and probably for very good reason, right?
I love it. And so that's gonna be general wellness, help the glutathione, even heavy metal detoxification.
Oh yeah, that's it. A master detoxifier is what glutathione is.
Detox.
So.
All right.
Yeah, so we'll get started.
So the benefits of an IV drip, pretty basic. We're giving your body a lot of fluid. So a lot of people are dehydrated, don't even know it. Most of Americans are always dehydrated. So that extra hydration and fluid is great for your energy levels, for your cellular recovery. But we're also adding ingredients into the IV that are going to help your body in a lot of different ways. Some people don't know exactly what they're deficient in. So we can actually draw your blood here, send it off to a lab, and when we get the results back, we know exactly what you're deficient in. That way, when you come in for your IV drip, we can add those ingredients into your IV drip, and your body's getting exactly what it needs.
All right, just finished up the drip. It feels cold. My arm feels cold. She's taking the IV out. We're gonna go over and do some leg compression and see what that fun's all about.
We offer compression for your legs and your arms and also for your hips, but today Logan is going to try the leg compression.
All right guys, this thing is pretty neat. So it is compressing my legs. It started down at my feet and worked all the way up, really slow and gradual, and it comes in waves.
So what that does is it just gradually pushes up any fluid buildup, any blood that's pooled in the bottom of your feet or ankles, any kind of toxin or lactic acid. It's going to push all of that up into your system, and then you flush it out. It feels really, really nice. It feels sort of like a blood pressure cuff, but a little bit tighter and all over your legs, so it feels really, really good. So whole body cryotherapy has been around since about the 70s. It was invented in Japan. This technology that we use nitrogen in a chamber was invented in Japan in the 70s. It was really intended for patients with rheumatoid arthritis.
It's cold everywhere except my hands and feet. We're only at a negative 153. It's cold.
So cold therapy addresses inflammation. We know that whenever you have an injury, you apply ice to it to take down inflammation. Well, cryotherapy is basically putting your whole body into a state of fight or flight. It's allowing the body to cool down really, really quickly so that your body will actually produce anti-inflammatory proteins.
How cold am I?
63.
I'm 63.
It's only about 2.5, 3 minutes. The chamber gets down to about negative 240 degrees. It's a dry treatment, so it's just nitrogen vapor that circles around your body. We're with you the whole time that you're in the chamber. We don't leave you, so we're talking to you, making sure that you feel okay and that you're distracted. And those 2.5 minutes go by pretty quickly.
My whole body tingles.
Good, perfect.
A good tingle, doesn't burn.
Good, perfect.
Warming up pretty quick.
Yeah. Feeling a good mood?
Yeah, I feel like a
Energized?
great mood. Yeah, I'm ready to go run.
All right, so how was it?
It was really cool. It
Yeah.
was neat and didn't know what to expect really coming in. So the IV and the compression on the legs and then the cryo. That's
Okay.
crazy.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
tell me, what did you expect? Were you thinking it was going to be colder? Did you think this is going to be easy? What?
Well, so I've researched a lot of the cold
Yeah.
benefits, and so trying to do cold showers, I just can't do it. I
so
can't
tough.
do it.
Yeah.
And that was better. That was
Easier.
much better.
Okay,
than a
well,
cold
what
shower.
made it easy for you,
The-
or easier?
It's different than cold water. It's a big difference.
Well, it's dry.
It's dry. That helps.
Yeah, that helps. You're standing. That helps. So for a lot of people that do ice baths, that's completely different.
Completely.
Standing up, you have more control. You're not at the mercy of the ice water.
I normally don't have a lot of people talking to me and
True.
kind of rooting me through. So
True.
it was a team effort.
Yeah.
To
Were
get
you
through
distracted
that.
the whole time?
Mostly.
We only hire good distractors.
Got great distractors. No, everybody's been fantastic. The environment here is very welcoming, but with like a modern twist. I like it. Everything about it has been a good day.
Great, great. Yeah, we try to make it not too spa-like in here, but not too cold and like a hospital setting, because
Yeah.
it's not. I mean,
No.
it is a medical facility, but we also want to make it look or feel like a really relaxed environment. You might want to come with a friend and hang
Yeah.
out in compression, get on your phone, do a little bit of work.
Yeah.
So we try to pull in a lot of different vibes in here.
Well, what y'all are doing is fantastic. This would be a good, like a mother-daughter getaway.
Oh, yeah.
I can see that.
Or even like
Yeah.
a Friday night date.
A Friday night date.
Yeah.
There we
It's the
go.
new date night.
It's the new date night. Well, thank you so much for inviting me
You
here.
are welcome.
And excited to share these amazing health benefits with other people, because it's just part of the arsenal for getting through any sort
Yeah.
of adversity.
Absolutely.
And,
We got a lot thrown at us right now.
we-
Year 2020, a lot of adversity.
It's come with a vengeance.
Yeah.
But man, thank you so much, everybody,
Yeah.
for watching. Check out Restore and what they're doing. It's phenomenal.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
I am a weenie.
You're doing great. You're
I'm
already,
doing
hey,
great.
you've got a minute left. You're doing
Just
great.
a minute left?
Just
Okay.
a minute left. You got this. Good for inflammation, good for circulation.
Good for waking you up.
Good